What is the value of log 27 base 9 plus log 32 base 8? Solution: log 27 base 9 plus log 32 base 8. 27 factors: 3, 9 3 3 3 into 3 into 3, 3 cube. 32, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, 2 2, 2 1, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to the power of 5. Okay, log 3 cube 9 3 square 32 means 2 to the power of 5, 2 cube. Here log 3 by 2, 3 by 2, log 3 base 3 plus log 5 by 3, 5 by 3 log 2 base 2. Here 3 by 2, 1 plus 5 by 3, 1. 3 by 2 plus 5 by 3. LCM 6, 3 3 are 9, 2 5 are 10, 19 by 6. This is answer. Very important. Log 125 base 10 plus log 8 base 10 is equal to x. Then x is equal to how much value? Solution: log 125 base 10 plus log 8 base 10 is equal to x. 125 log A log B base anyone ఏదైనా ఉండవచ్చు, that is equal to log A into B base E. Similarly, log 125 into 8 base 10, that is equal to x. Log 125 into 8 is equal to 40, 4 0, 8 16, 20, 2 0, 8 1 8, 10, 1000. Log 1000 base 10 is equal to x. Remove the log. Ten to the power of x is equal to 1000. Change. 10 to the power of x is equal to 1000. 1000 factors: 10, 100, 10 10 100, 10 cube. 10 to the power of x is equal to 10 to the power of cube. Both sides bases equal, equating the powers, that is equal to x is equal to 3. Very important.